What's up, my cozy crochet babes? Today I'm going to show you the right way to frog chenille yarn without losing your mind and ruining your yarn. If you crochet with chenille yarn, I'm sure, have experienced the frustration that comes with frogging it. You end up with these horrible big gaps in your yarn. You end up with fluff balls flying everywhere. You sometimes break your yarn, and it's just extremely frustrating. And you end up with this yarn that you can't even use to redo the rows that you were trying to undo. And it's all around just a terrible time. So, I'm going to show you the best way to do it that won't take up a whole bunch more of your time. And the tool you need's probably already in your hand. Let's go. Okay, I'm going to show you how simple this really is. Grab a yarn needle or grab your crochet hook, whichever you prefer. I like using the yarn needle. And let's go ahead and insert that under the front loop only of that first stitch. And then pull upward over that other loop. Go into the next one, and you're going to do the same exact thing. And you're going to keep doing this. You can do this over the whole row, or you can do this in sections like I'm doing. And then grab your tail and just pull. And look how perfect that yarn comes out. There's no gaps. It's beautiful. And this is super quick, so I don't think it takes any more time than it normally would to try and frog, especially with this kind of yarn. So if you've tried this method, let me know down in the comments. What do you think? And let me know what your worst frogging experience has been, because we've all been there, so no shame. But while you're here, don't forget to subscribe for more crochet hacks, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Bye!